Good everybody, welcome to today's video. Before I put the valve covers back on, I need to replace all the gaskets and seals. So on each one, the oil control solenoids, I didn't disturb them, so we're just gonna leave them. So I got 3 for the spark plug holes, the sensor, and of course the main one on the bottom. And we're gonna start by knocking them out with a 3/4 inch socket. Fits in there perfectly, because these are all hard and crusty now, and they're not gonna seal well anymore. So, what you see here, carefully top them out, because this is just plastic. Now, so if you didn't pay attention to how these seals were installed, that goes to the bottom, that goes to the top. These here, probably not going to go in easy either. Might have to get a socket as well. But I will see just how easy they will push in. And I think I'm gonna have to get a socket. In this case, I'm gonna use a 1-inch socket because it's the same size. It's a pretty tight fit. I'm going to flip that around, have a look, seated. Do the same, this one here. Let's get that one in. As far as we can go, our 1-inch socket. Looks like it's good. Perfect. So you can see the spark plug tube there. So if you ever get confused when you're doing this job, have a brain fart, you're trying to figure out which way these go. These will not go down because it'll make it really hard to get over that tube. They're gonna hang up. So you can see this end here, how it's beveled. So make it slide on easier. I hope that helps or gives some people some clarity. So the first time I used the 1-inch, and it was almost a perfect size impact. But in my collection of sockets, I got this 25mm Pro Point impact, which actually fits perfectly. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, everybody.